Okay, so we didn't video at the beginning of the hike and tell you what we were doing, because as soon as we got to the trailhead, there were 20, I think, elk, which you can see in this video here. So we kind of got going on, we're just trying to get out and moving every day while we're here.
It rained most of today.
So this is the, you say the name.
Oh, I don't know.
Holzwarth family.
Whole
something family. It's just an old homestead camp area. So it's just a short walk out here to that area. So we passed the first herd of elk. There were like 20 of them. And then as we went out further, there were even more off in the distance. Of course, the 35mm nice camera has a dead battery. So we don't have footage of those, but we saw them, I promise. Anyway, we're about a mile in. We're gonna try and get another mile before we head back, and
before it gets too dark.
And I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. We got out of the truck, it was 52 degrees. So I'm a little chilly. Some would call that a baby jalapeno. Little chilly. All right, so we're back on the regular trail. That's the little valley with the snow-capped mountains in the distance. And you can see the river kind of meandering through right there between those trees. And we're gonna cross it right here. Now, I'm not sure. We will probably see the trailhead or the origin of the river tomorrow. We're just probably 5 or 6 river miles from where the river begins. So right there, I know you probably can't hear me, but that is Colorado River. And it is overflowing its banks pretty much everywhere we've seen it. Part of the reason we're not able to kayak like we wanted to, the river flow is just way too high. But here we are back to the main meadow right here with elk galore. So this is basically from the parking lot. You can see them out through there. We can't quite figure out, can someone tell us, do elk shed their antlers every year? Or are we seeing all females and younger elk right here? Because we see no sign of antlers, horns, whatever you call them, on an elk. All right, Holzwarth. Y'all tell us how to say it.